Hi, this is Andrea Jones. This is my final module for AEP 855, and the focus is human relations, the framework for leadership roles. So the first thing I want to talk about is the model that was displayed by Bullman and Deal. A couple of the main points I took away from it were basically people are most important in any organization, no matter if it's school setting, in the corporate world, within even like the community itself. They must align the goals of the organization with the goals of the people. So if you're looking at a school, obviously those two things have to go hand in hand. And when looking at it from the perspective of leadership, the leader's job is not to necessarily organize, but it's just to help foster, help meet the needs of the people and the people within the organization and within the common goal of what they're trying to implement. And the key points, the main key points I felt like that they focused on within the video was meet the needs of people, in the organization and the people, they need each other to be successful. They have to fit together, meaning the organization and the people have to fit together, and a good fit is equal to both, to benefit both. So both the organization and the people within the organization will benefit for the overall, in the overall need and desire for what they're doing together. When looking at the hierarchy and of looking as a school leader, what's most important? Gosh, it was kind of tough to kind of establish that, but I mean, obviously the first one for me was a no-brainer. All students are always going to be the top. They lead everything. Parents, staff, support staff, and then even that means like office and pairs and such, custodians and the maintenance, and then community and alumni would be last if I were to list them from greatest need to least. Looking at students, no matter where you are in an educational setting, students drive all educational decisions. That means they drive all social emotional needs and goals and support, educational goals and support, and are really anything needed for the students, for that means like staff and then any personnel within the organization that really is there to benefit just the students. And I say this, but then that also goes in hand where students, where they have families as well. So thinking of a SPED student, for example, we're not there just to support the student but looking at their families as well. So in the second stage, I would say parents, staff, and support staff are pretty at this level. They're important for all decision making within the organization. Communication is key, asking for feedback and listening, and then also just overall support for the goals of the organization or for the school. Next, I think if we were kind of going through the process, I'd do custodial staff and maintenance or facility staff personnel. They're a key role in everyday operations. We couldn't function in a school setting without them. And then finally, community and alumni, their goals, the goal is support and enrich for future growth. And then also another huge area is financial growth, financial support. That's definitely a need and is important to have their support throughout this process. And then finally, I think they're all important contributors to any school organization. And I love this quote: each of us is a piece of the puzzle, and each of us helps set in place other important pieces. I think you can't have one without the other. They have to complete the puzzle. They all have to contribute, and they're all an integral part of the success of the organization. So yeah, looking at the overall leadership from this class and what I've gained is priceless. So I appreciate any feedback. Thanks.